Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to link your bank account in Wise. So basically how to get your money out, etc. from your Wise, how to send money from your bank account to Wise, and so go on. So first of all, guys, I will need you to go ahead and download Wise in your devices. So if you have Wise on your for example, if you are using your phone, you can just download it on iOS App Store or Android Google Play. Here guys, for me I'm using PC, so I will go ahead and open any kind of browsers and then go to this URL section, and from there guys I will go and search for Wise. Here, as you can see, this is the main page. So for example, you wanted to send money to your bank account, so let's say that we click on send money. Here we say if it was international, for example from euro to another currency or the same currency, so from euro to euro, let's say for example international. Here you can just check everything, put the amount, fast transfer fee, low cost, easy transfer, whatever you want. And here you can compare the prices. So compare prices if you want on different websites, and you will see that Wise has the best price at the moment, which is 11. And let's check actually USD. So USD, yeah, it is pretty much the same, or less. I mean less. Here, let's go back euros, and let's go and continue. Here, what you have to do is click on personal or business. It depends on what kind of account you want. So personal. After that, you have to fill these informations, and right after that, in this recipient section, you will have to put your card uh, informations details. So you put your code, etc., and da. And after that, after you put all your information, all you have to do is continue, review, and your money shall be arrived by the time that you have chosen in the previous method. So it will be sent in the 8th February. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you for watching.